How to create an online store on Shopify step by step with ease in the beautiful format you see in front of you. This will be the look of our store on the computer, and this will be the look of our store on the mobile. The first step is to register on Shopify. I will leave the registration link in the video description, from which you will get a 3-day free trial, and your first month on Shopify will only be $1. This is a very special offer available through the link in the video description. You will start by entering your email here. Then click on Start Free Trial. Here, it asks you some questions, but you can click on Skip All from here. Here it asks about the place where you will sell your products. You will start by selecting the place from here, then click on Next, and then choose to register via email, Facebook, or Google. I will choose to register via email, write my email here, then write the password, and then click on Create Shopify Account. Here it starts building your store and will transfer you within seconds to the Shopify control panel. The first step is to click here on Select a Plan. Here, Shopify will show you different plans. If you are still a beginner, I advise you to choose the basic plan. You can get the first month for $1, and the rest of the plans also have this offer. These are the differences between the 3 plans. We start by clicking here on Select Basic and begin entering the details of the bank card, or you can pay via PayPal. As it is clear in front of you, you will pay $1 but after 3 days. Because you have a free trial for Shopify and after the month we get for $1, the plan will be approximately $39. You can pay annually to save about $120, and the plan will be $29 instead of $39. After you enter the bank card details, click on Subscribe. After subscribing to a Shopify plan, we go to the first step, which is selecting the template or theme that we will start working on. We start by clicking here on Online Store, and we will find the theme named Dawn by default. But there are many other free themes that we can work on. You can click here on Visit Theme Store and select from here Free. It will start displaying many free themes that you can work on and start designing your store using these free themes. To choose any theme, click on it this way. You can see from here what the theme looks like before trying it by clicking on View Demo Store. This will be the look of the theme and these are the products of the store, and from here, this is how the theme will look on the mobile this way. We can click here on Try Theme if we want to choose this theme. But I will choose the default theme named Dawn and start working on it. You will find here the text place Remove Password. You will start by clicking on it to publish the online store. We start by clicking here on Customize or open it in a new tab. This will be the control panel for the appearance of my theme, and the external look of the store consists of 3 parts. The first part is called the header, the second part is the template, and the third part is the footer. The header refers to the upper area, the template refers to the banner and products, and the footer is the area below here. We will start customizing each of these step by step. The first thing we have is the announcement bar. Here we write our special offers in this area. We click here on the announcement bar. Then click on this text, and you will find on the right that you can change the text inside this rectangle. So here, I can start writing, for example, that I have a discount and free shipping on all orders. To change the colors, I can click on this bar, then come here to Scheme, and then click on Change. Come here to choose the 5th scheme, and then change the background color to the color I like this way. So I have adjusted this bar, and I will click here on Save to save all the settings I made. From here, I can see the look of my store on the mobile by clicking on this icon. This is the look of my store on the mobile and this is its look on the computer. The second thing is the header. We will start by clicking on the header, and we can adjust many things in this header. The first thing is the logo. We can place our logo on the left, in the middle, or on the right. From here, we can choose Middle Center, so it will appear this way in the middle. To change the store's logo, we come here to the settings and click on it, then select logo from here, and then start uploading the store's logo here very easily. Then click on Upload Image, and here choose our logo in this area. We can enlarge the logo this way, and this will be the store's logo. The second thing is the favicon, which refers to the icon that appears at the top of my store in this way. To start changing it, I go here to search and search for a site called Flat Icon and start searching here for any icon related to my field. For example, I work in headphones and watches. So I can write here headphone, and start choosing any icon from here. I might choose this icon, then select 32 pixels, and click on Free Download. Then I come and start uploading this icon here. Then click on Done. This will be the store's icon in the upper area. Next we have the banner. I can click on it and start adding an image to this banner. Or we have free images that we can use by clicking here on Free Images. We can select any image related to our field from here. For example, I might choose this image. I like it very much. Then click on Select. I can click on this text to start editing it from this area. From here, I can change this text this way. Next, we have this button. I can click on it from here and start editing the text here. Then select from here the link for this button. When the customer clicks on it, it will transfer them to which page? Will it transfer them to a specific product? We haven't added any products yet, so we can choose all products or transfer them to a specific collection. We will start adding products shortly, and from here, remember to select a specific product or a specific collection. So I have edited my banner, and I will click on Save and now go to my store. And start adding products by clicking here on Products. Then click on Add Product and start adding all the information about my products here. I will write the product name here, then write the product description here, and then upload the product images here. I can upload additional images of the product here. Then write the product price here. If I want to make it appear as a discount to the customer, I will write a higher price here, so this will be the product price compared to this price. Then I can specify the stock from here and write the available quantity of the product, or I can deactivate the stock option. And here I can write information about the product size and weight in this area. Here, the variants mean if there are different colors and sizes of the product, we start adding them in this area. Then click on Save. So we published our first product. We can click here on Preview to start seeing the product's appearance this way. Then we will go back and add the rest of the products as we added this product. After adding my products, I will start adding collections. I will click here on Collections. This is the default collection. I can delete this collection from here. Then click on Create Collection. I will write the collection name here and upload the image for it. In this store, I have 4 collections. The watches collection, the headphones collection, the personal hygiene collection, and a collection I will name, for example, Energy because this collection sells power banks. I will write the collection name here and upload the image for it. Then click on Save and add the rest of the collections. After adding my collections, I will go here to the products and start selecting the products for each collection. For example, these 2 products belong to the watches collection. I will start selecting them and come here to these 3 dots. Then click on Add to Collection and select the watches collection. Then click on Save and repeat this process with all the products. Thus, each collection will have a group of products. Then I will go back to my template here. The first thing I need to do is display the 4 collections of the store. So I will start by clicking here on Add Section. And then click on Collection List, and then I will click here on the first collection and start selecting the collection from here. Click on the second one, and start selecting the second collection, and the third with the same steps. And then I will add a 4th collection in this area and start selecting it from here. Now I want the 4 collections to be next to each other in one row, so I will come here to Collection List from here and then raise this number to 4. So the 4 will be like this next to each other. I will come here to edit this text from this area. Or I can delete this text this way and raise this collection list up like this, so it will be right under the banner. After that, I can come here and click on Featured Products, select Change from here. Then click on Change Collection and start selecting the collection whose products I want to appear in this area. Then click on Select. I can change this text from this area. And I can add the rest of the products by clicking on Add Section. And selecting from here Featured Collection. Then selecting the second collection whose products I want to appear under this collection by selecting this collection. For example, I will select the watches collection, and then repeat this process with all the collections I have. I can create a new collection here named, for example, New Arrivals and put recently arrived products in it. Or create a collection for holidays and occasions and put certain products and discounts in it, and then display this collection in this area. Then click on Save. I will go to my store and then click here on Settings. The first thing I need to do is change the store name, so I will start here by writing my store's name and then click on Save. Here I have Payment Settings. You can link Shopify's payment methods or enable PayPal. The steps are very simple, or you can enable manual payment methods like cash on delivery. Next we have the checkout steps. We will click on it. And here we will start making some simple settings. We will select the first name and last name from here, and you can adjust the rest of the settings the way that suits you, and then click on Save. Next, we have shipping and delivery and shipping rates. From here, we can click on Shipping Rates. And we can start deleting these rates and then add new shipping rates for our shipping. Whether we are shipping globally or selecting a specific country where we sell, we start adding the shipping rate from here. For example, my shipping rate is free. You can add the shipping rate here and the delivery time, then click on Done. From here, you can add tax information or tax value. And the last thing we have is adding policy pages. We will click here on Policies. And then start writing the policy pages for return and exchange policy, privacy policy, terms of use, and other policies. The advantage is that Shopify provides us with templates here to start editing. We will click on Create from Template, then start editing our policies here, whether it is 30 days or 14 days or other, and we will edit the rest of the pages very easily. And we will write the shipping policy ourselves, the time it takes, and the shipping rates. We will start deleting the text in yellow and easily edit the rest of the policies. Then click on Save. It is very important after creating the store policies to come here to the store and then click on Footer. And then scroll down and click on Show Policy Links. These policies will appear in the store this way. Then click on Save. We also have the option to edit the menu that appears here by going to Online Store. Then clicking on Navigation. Then clicking on Main Menu. Here we can edit this menu. We can delete these and start adding from here. Add menu item and start selecting. For example, Collection. Then click on Add and select the rest of the collections that we have in the store, and then click on Save Menu. If we come to our online store and refresh, we will find that the menu has been updated in this way. This way we have edited our store, added collections, and added products. There are some settings that you can click on Settings and find the store's color settings in this area and the font settings in this area. You can choose fonts, enlarge or shrink them, and control them. And the rest of the settings you can check and start adjusting very easily. From here we can see our store by clicking on View, so our store will be displayed in this way, and you can buy a domain here instead of the free domain through the store settings and then click on Domains, and then buy a domain here, or if you have already purchased a domain from companies like Namecheap or GoDaddy, you can link this domain very easily. And that is our explanation today for creating a store on Shopify step by step.